Okay, let's have a bit of talk about features of exponential graphs. Exponential graph generally is of the form y equals b to the power x, where b is the base and x is the exponent, power, or the index. Normally, whenever we draw a graph from a negative section to the positive section. So in doing exponential graphs, the x-coordinate will be a set of real numbers that's both negative and positive. But when you calculate the y-coordinate, you realize that all of them will be positive. So we say the y-coordinate is a set of positive real numbers, and y is always bigger than 0 for a typical y equals b to the power x. So that means there's going to be an asymptote, horizontal asymptote in the graph, and I'm going to explain to you when we start drawing it. Also, for a typical y equals b to the power x, the graph will always go through the point 0, 1 on the y-axis. The graph will always go through the point 0, 1 on the y-axis, so make note of this important point. And also, you will have sometimes a graph which is called exponential growth function. When you see that whenever x values increases, the y values are also increasing. That will be called exponential growth. And conversely, where the graph decreases as the x-coordinate increases, we call that exponential decay. So we'll be talking about all these. These are the points I want you to remember. The graph of y equals b to the power x is exponential growth when b is bigger than 1. Bigger than 1. Also, we're going to have exponential growth with y equals b to the power negative x when b is a fraction, that's between 0 and 1. Then for exponential decay, y equals b to the power x when b is a fraction, then with a positive index, you're going to have exponential decay. And also, we're going to have exponential decay when b is bigger than 1, but we have a negative exponent. That will also be exponential decay. Then with the reflection, y equals 2 to the power negative x is the reflection of y equals 2 to the power x in the y-axis. Then y equals negative 2 to the power x is also a reflection of y equals 2 to the power x in the x-axis. So that brings us to the end of the lesson on exponential graphs. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.